What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started. I think I found a gem here. Nobody's talking about this penny stock yet on YouTube, and it looks like they've got some huge growth ahead of them. Today, we're talking about Kidoz Inc, ticker symbol KIDZ. You should be able to find this stock on Webull. Now let's see what this company is all about. Kidoz Inc owns a popular KIDZ.V mobile network, engaging more than 100 million kids a month across a leading mobile kid tech network. Kidoz provides an essential suite of services that unites kids, brands, content publishers, and families. Trusted by Disney, Hasbro, Lego, and more, the Kidoz.V ad network helps the world's largest brands to safely reach and engage kids across thousands of mobile apps and sites. The Kidoz OS solution helps carriers and brands such as Lenovo, Acer, and PBS Kids bring a kid-focused experience to their family devices in a fully GDPR and COPPA compliant way. Kidoz's Ruplay, www.ruplay.com, offers an interactive learning experience worldwide with original content featuring Moment, Mr. Men, Little Miss, Mr. Bean, and hundreds more kid-focused learning games. So have a look at this. Apparently the stock is currently trading nearly 87% below fair value, and earnings are expected to grow at a whopping 175.73%. This is insane for a penny stock. So as you can see, the fair value over here is $3, and they're currently trading at 50 cents. Right, the next thing that I'd like to show you is their balance sheet. They have sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years if it maintains its current positive free cash flow level. And they also have sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years, even with free cash flow being positive and shrinking by 5.4% per year. Right, so it's also good to see that insiders have only bought this stock in the last 12 months instead of selling it. Now, let's take a look at their Q3 2020 financial results. I want to read out the highlights first. Q3 2020 total revenue of, nearly 2 million, growth of 261% compared to Q2 2020. Q3 2020 profit of 116,000 from a loss of 361,000. Q3 2020 EBITDA of 346,000 from the EBITDA loss of 197,000 in Q2 2020. Cash provided by operating activities of 171,000 for the 9 months ended September 30, 2020. Cash of 1.1 million and working capital of 2 million as at September 30th, 2020. And this is what the CEO had to say. The third quarter of 2020 was a breakout quarter for Kidoz, as our services experienced record levels of usage and bookings. Increasingly, mobile devices are kids' favorite form of entertainment, and brands wishing to reach kids are utilizing the safe and engaging advertising opportunities available on the Kidoz platform. Kidoz is a focused mobile software solution provider and the market leader in mobile KIDZ.V SDK installations. Advertisers demand high-performing media that is contextually targeted to the desired market segment. Kidoz delivers this unique proposition for advertisers, and we continue to grow our revenues and market share by focusing on our technology, customers, and growth strategy. So as you can see, this company is at the very beginning of their growth trajectory, right? They're a very small company at the minute, but their financials look pretty good. There's not an awful lot of information out there about this company, so I had to sort of dig around for it to find it. So I wasn't able to find analyst ratings, but I found this Bloomberg article which I found really interesting, so I'm just going to read a bit from here. So, currently used by more than 3,000 different apps, the Kidoz network is the most popular in-app KIDZ.V advertising network in the world by count of active unique SDK publishers. In the past few months, leading developers and publishers such as Wildworks, Bud Studio, Pepe Play, MyTown Games, Education Studio, Smart Study, Bean Stripes, and dozens more have begun to use Kidoz safe advertising network. The number of apps that use Kidoz has been steadily increasing because of the high demand for safe advertising systems by parents, regulators, Google, Apple, and the app developers themselves. The Kiddo system was designed from inception to not use any personal identifiers to target users, unlike most networks in today's sophisticated ad tech market, and to have human curation of every campaign that goes live on the network so that no inappropriate ads will ever be seen in a Kiddo's powered app. Now this bit I really like. In May 2019, Google announced that only 10 networks globally, including Kiddos, would be allowed to place ads into their children's and family apps. In 2019, Apple announced that it would enforce even tighter restrictions limiting kids' apps to use ad networks that rely on contextual targeting only while performing human review of all ad creatives. Apple's restrictions make almost every network or programmatic platform non-compliant for kids' traffic, other than manually moderated networks like Kiddos. The spending patterns of advertisers are also contributing to Kiddo's recent growth. Children's brands and advertising agencies continue to shift budgets to save advertising networks, such as Kiddos, and away from networks such as YouTube that are not COPPA compliant. Right, so again, the company is clearly at the very beginning stage of its growth. I think there's so much room to grow in the field of safe advertising for kids. The world is slowly understanding how much influence targeted ads have on our behaviors, and the need for a safe environment for kids in this space is clearly there. These type of investments can end up making you a lot of money in the long term. Bear in mind, although this is a speculative play, this company's financials and the success that they're having so far make it worth the risk in my opinion. I'm not invested in this company yet, although I'm tempted to start a small position tomorrow. What do you guys think? Are you going to invest in this company? Leave a comment below and let me know if I've missed something. Were you aware of this company before? As always, if you liked the video and if you saw some value in it, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Have a great day. Peace out.